Hi there, everyone. My name's Dan. I'm the owner of 123 Whiting Marketing Company. Today, I'm going to demonstrate our powerful opt in form with secure coupon at the end. What do we mean by secure? It just means that no one can actually copy it, no one can make a video of it, and no one can actually share the coupon. So business owners want to have a secure way. They want everyone to opt in first. So if someone were to share it, they instantly have to opt in. So but I'll demo it here in a second after we fill this out. Just want to let you know who we are, what we're doing today. All right, so let me get me myself. I'll put me over here in the corner here. Make me a little bit smaller. All right, so I'm going to put my phone number in, and we'll in here. So this part here, this form, this is just a demo also. Charlie's Family Restaurant, it's just a demo. But here is just the rules. We give the person opting in so they know exactly what they're up against, what they're going to be doing. And this is the first opt-in for the SMS. Okay. So you just go get opt in. You're going to see my phone go off here in a second. There it is. There's the code for. We just verify opt in. This here is just showing about GPS. If a customer says allow this time or allow while visiting the site, the business owner will see the actual address that GPS. So it'll actually show the business name, the address, everything, or where the person is when they opted in. So if someone takes our QR code, a picture of it, and then opts in later on, we'll see where they were, maybe at their home or wherever they're at. If they say never, of course, the GPS will not work. It'll be a blank field. But we'll say allow this time. And then our forms always have age verification on it. Some people like 21 years old. I think the 18 is fine, but it's up to you. Whatever you would like it to be, we can change it for you. So we'll just say, yes, I am 18. If someone says, no, I'm not, if a kid does this form will not go through. It'll just stop. It'll say right to them that you have to be 18 years or older to actually opt in to this company. You can see now that the date and time is locked. So every opt in has to be secure. We don't want someone opting in and then changing the time. So here I'll just put my name in there. And then same with the mobile phone number, it's locked. So we don't want anyone changing that and their first consent. This is just showing them that they did consent to using their mobile phone number for SMS text or calling, whatever you want it to be. This is the email, so I'll put my business email in, and then I'll consent for the email part. This is the email part of it. Now, I'll show you this first. Here is the actual opt-in that I just did. Customer will actually receive this in their email. Okay, you will receive it in the text, an SMS text, once the customer submits this. So the owner gets it, and the person opting in gets proof of their opt-in, which by law you have to have. If I go here without verifying, you can see that the computer will not allow that customer to move forward. They have to verify. So let me verify the email. In a second here, we'll get it on the phone. I'm just looking for it right now on my phone. There it is. And here is our code. So it's 307-887. And we just verify OTP. So now the form is done. We've done everything. Now let's check out our secure form. Okay, here is our secure form. So it looks really nice. The big benefit also over here, you'll see in my text, I just received verification because I filled out the form, and the Zoho email is the proof to the customer, which is me too, how they receive it. Okay. But back to the form here, you got 20% off. We can change this to whatever the business owner wants. It's just the norm. Get Try to get people to opt in, right? If you don't give something, most people will not opt in. So you have to give them something. So they get 20% off and their entire bill today, it says. Or you can pick anything, 20% off maybe an entree or give them a free fry or whatever you want, whatever works for you. The live part is an actual, makes it easy for you to see. So this is what a customer brings in. It even says, must match the seconds tick. If the time isn't moving, screenshot, no discount. Show this live page to the server or cashier. Thank you for choosing Charlie's Family Restaurant. Valid only today, one per table. Cannot combine offers, must show live ticking clock. So we're very understanding that the customer understands this. If the clock is not moving, seconds and everything, and it has to be the current time. So you as a business owner, if you know it's 10:35 a.m. in the morning and someone shows you this and you see its seconds are going down, it's a good offer. You know they opted in, and plus your phone went off. Of course, I'm sure you're not going to have time to look at your phone, but at least you know it's a live offer. So that's a good one. If for any reason it's being copied by video, because this is going to be on mobile phones only, if it's copied, you'll know, because what are the chances of them coming to your restaurant and showing you this exactly then and giving it to the cashier after they've already eaten? Very small. That's the only thing that is. And then you can see that a video is a little bit different than the live, because we have a lot of space here. So in a single shot, a screenshot, the thing won't be moving. But the biggest benefit is sharing. So now up here you can see, here is the URL. Okay. So here we'll go like this, get the whole URL. We'll copy it, and then we'll go to a new page. Matter of fact, I'll go to Incognito, so that way you can really tell it's a brand new window. And we'll paste in that code. There we go. So it looks just like it. It's exactly, and boom, it goes right back to Charlie's Family Restaurant. That person who received it, an email or text, will have to opt back in. Even though they're trying to share that 20% to give to you or whatever that offer is, they can't. They automatically have to opt in and go through the process again, is which what you want anyways. You want people to opt in because your list is your gold mine. Imagine having a huge number of people that you can market to. And I would really like to talk to you about this. If you're planning on, would like to do this and have offers, build a list in your business. And I'm sure if you had 12 months of this, you'd be shocked how many people opted in to your list. You would have a massive number of local people come to your restaurant who want to eat there and wanted to get the opt-in and want to see a more offer to come back in. You can do birthdays, you can do holiday specials, you can do whatever you want to get them back in your store. You just have a Tuesday night and it's quiet there. Send out a SMS blast and just tell everyone, come on in for whatever you want them to. You'd be shocked how many people will show up to get a deal on something, especially in today's world. Everything costs a fortune. So I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.